What's up, YouTube? It's your man here, Head Savage, and look what we got here for you today. Paqui has came out with a bag of chips, courtesy of my son. He got these for me. And me and my daughter, we about to try these hot suckers to see how hot they are. And you know it, how it goes. Is it hot or not? Should we pump it or dump it? Is it hot or not? Should we pump it or dump it? All right. I'll go ahead and open the bag.
I don't need no water.
I don't
I
know.
think it's gonna be hot. I'm kind of scared.
All right. You can try them at the same time if you want. All right, folks. This is not the Carolina Reaper. This is the Ghost Pepper, the Budyolokia, in other words. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try to see how hot it is.
I got a folded chip. I got a double to try.
Oh yeah, you got a bigger amount right there. But here we go. They're alright. I'd rather try the Carolina Reaper. They got a little heat on it, but they don't have much flavor. They don't have much flavor.
Okay, these chips are so nasty.
They just like
They don't have
corn chips and
I think it's like tortillas and
hot stuff.
sprinkles.
It's no flavor. But I eat them because I like spicy stuff. So hey, we're gonna put this in the middle or pump it or dump it.
This bag
It's hot, but hey,
it's not freaking hot though. It's not. It said it's freaking hot and it's not.
as far as taste goes, we're gonna dump these guys.